So guys, hello. So today we will do pull exercise for your middle split. For this we need perfect position frog. So let's go. Everything know how it looks like. Yes, this position frog, and so we will do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and also 8. So after that we will up our legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so after that we go to this position and we will do a butterfly in the air. So 3 points by this exercise. We straight, open and close. So go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And another side. Open, straight, and close. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, after this we will do compensation for legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So also breathe in and breathe out. So after that we can do wild position of our legs and move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So cool. After this we'll train our back. Yes, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And another side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so right now we will do a little pushes. Yes, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so breathe in and breathe out. Straight your back, not this, only this. You can see this at the mirror and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So, and after that you can see the perfect middle split. So, and If you will practice with this exercise what I teach you, yes, in every video, you can sit in the middle split. I think it's very cool and very beautiful. So guys, thank you so much for spending this time with me. Yes, also practice, don't be shy. If you have some questions for me about some exercise, maybe you thought that you do something wrong, please write me. We will solve this problem also. Yes, because I want that everyone sits in middle split. And so thank you so much for your likes, subscribes, and so see you. Bye bye.